What we have actually got an outer shell out now. We've got some rope and we got a knife here. I'm going to go along and tie down the eyelets on this side. And, got the front up. I forgot the zip ties in the back. And then we'll get this going here. So we got to start by starting here. So this side here. This is where we go on here. Let's get more of this one. This one here. More around here. It's getting close. We've got all the way back here. Got all the way to the top. We've got this side here to do. You have to get a little tighter on it. So let's get it up here. So basically all I just need to do is tighten this. Yeah, that's pretty good. I've got these nice and tight. And then I've got it wrapped up up on top with that other tarp. It is. This has actually been a really good project. Not by yourself, but with the help from a friend. We did get it done. My dad's car is here. One thing I wanted to point out is if you see silver on the white, that is actually where I used duct tape to hold the seams together so we could get that apart and back together. But yeah, then we've got ground straps. Thanks to the other gentleman. So now I'm just going to work on getting these corners. Sorry, Dad, about leaning on the car. So we had to get this outside cover tied down to the pole itself. So we'll go from there, and I'll see you here in a few minutes. I've decided to go ahead and do is to actually tie this. I'm going to retie it back up here. No, it doesn't pull from here. But I'll go ahead and I will run it through each one back through here. And then I will tie it back off back here. That way it's not lifting or bouncing. So, getting closer. Getting closer. Put a little peek in there. So far so good. Yeah. You have the extra layer of protection there again. Going around the corner and back to here. Let's get a final look at the 10x17 Harbor Freight Carport. This is the $200 version. We have everything set up in here. My dad's beautiful 1964 Studebaker GT Hawk. I'll flash a picture of it up here with my dad. But yeah, it seems to be lining up. Looking really actually pretty good in the center. As much wind as we've had over the last couple months, or the last couple weeks. I do need to tighten that corner up a little bit, but for right now I've got 3 foot of overhang, so I'm not too worried about it. I wanted to make sure to get this gap itself set. This is just extra tile so I don't trip on it. Yeah, the Harbor Freight inside 10x17. The car is 17 foot long, so you can expect a full-size car. Maybe 10x17 carport with a 20 mil 20x20 UV 20x20 UV coated. As you can see, it does come down near the bottom, within a foot or so, and then actually obviously 3 foot back from the edge of the carport itself. I did put in the metal bars that go through here to hold those down, the canopy down on the back, as far as the wind noise and that. But yeah, we'll see how things go. Like I said, it should hold up for this kind of weather. Once again, thank you for watching. If you have any questions on what I did different, let me know. I can answer any other questions down below. Just thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great one.